Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So let's start the analysis with SGX. So if you see SGX is trading bit off on the negative side, not major gap down. So market is trading near 15,340, right? Okay. Now coming back to the technical chart. Now let's see the overall picture of the Nifty right now. So if we study right now, looking at this chart, so simply you see that this was the support, right? 15,650, I would say, or 15,500 from the OI level. Market is closed below this. So there was a severe sell-off yesterday. Okay, so you can see almost like 2.5% sell-off. Now, even if you go like 1 year back, so that was a support earlier like 15,400. So even market has broken that also. So it's trading below this all these levels now. Bit of a negative side momentum we have. Okay, and no sign from the OI if it's giving a relief to the market as of now. Now, what could be the next thing that we can see is if we plot the momentum indicator on this. So we are finding some kind of divergence in the market, right? Okay, if we see here. So let me draw. So if you see, there is a divergence happening in the market right now. Okay, with this. So market might be trying to find a bottom somewhere here in this near these levels only. Okay, let's see till what level if this divergence continues, right? Okay, and if market forms, we'll see some bottom up coming up in coming sessions, right? Okay, so let's see where market will, if market the severe fall comes again, so market can slip towards like 14,400 also and 500 also. So that is where you can see the previous support we have. So this is the huge consolidation that we have. So probably market might take support in these levels, right? Somewhere here. Coming back to the OI level, so it's majorly shorts we have. Okay, so not a clear sign from long built up, any built up, right? And if you see the levels on this, so right now 15,300 would be as an immediate support, and 15,000 is a good support after that. If market able to break that, so 14,500 would be next level. Now 15,500 would work as a resistance as of for the market, right? Okay. Okay. Now coming to the Bank Nifty. Okay. Now if we just see this chart again, so Bank Nifty haven't crossed this this low till now. Okay. So bit outperforming more than Nifty right now, but there is a divergence also happening in this also, but this is a good support, like 32,000, around 32,000 is a good support for Bank Nifty, and you can see in this area they have a good good support levels right there. So 32,000 would be the next level that we are looking for. If market breaks that further, we can slip towards like 30,800 or 30,500. That would be the next level on the lower side. You can see there is a good support in these levels around this level. Okay, so both the indices is weak on the technical charts, right? So that's a clear sign. So in Bank Nifty, we have a short positions, right? Okay, simply if we see, okay, so 33,000 is the resistance for us now. 32,500 is immediate support. If market breaks that level, 32,000 and 31,500. So these are the levels we can simply look for these. Okay. Now coming back to the contribution yesterday. So if you see private banks contributing on the negative side, mostly every sector is on the negative side, right? You can see not a single sector is contributing on the positive side. NBFC, oil, IT, all are negative yesterday. Okay, fine. Okay, let's talk about the ban list also. So these three stocks are continuing in the ban list, right, as of now. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about the stocks. Okay, so let's go with the trap indicator only. Let's try to find one stock with the trap indicator. Okay. So these are the stocks we got. So we can talk about Bharti Airtel if we talk. So let's see the OI. So okay, so it gave a breakdown. Yes, so we can go with this. Yes, okay, it's likely to break this. So very near the good support, right? Okay, but looking at the sentiment right now, probably it can break this. So the structure looks weak. Anyhow, 640 is the level where we can look for the breakdown level, and 680 on the higher side, which is giving us the resistance, right? And looking at this chart, probably it will come with a sell off, right? Okay, so let's have the how it works. Okay. So anyway, 640 is the level. If that breaks, so the stock can slip towards 600 level. Okay. And we can simply put a stop loss at around 670 or 680 level. Okay. And we can create a, proper strategy based on this. So this looks weak, right? Okay. And let's find this stop from a built up. So we'll go with the negative side only because this market looks like weak. So if you see Oro Pharma looks weak here. So if we go with Oro Pharma, so Oro Pharma structure looks weak, not a single long since long, right? Okay. So it's mostly short and short covering happening in this. So let's see Oro Pharma. Okay. So it's Oro Pharma looks weak. We can simply take a position on the short side in this. So a lot of unwinding happening in the puts. So 520 is the level. If the stock breaks 520, we can the stock can simply slip towards 500 and 480 levels. So not a good support on the lower side. And on the higher side, 540 would be working as a resistance. So this stock looks weak. So go with the short position in this. Okay. Right. Okay. So we have talked about the ban list also. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.